Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the passcode of your iPhone if you have forgot it. So guys, as you can see this, if you have forgot the passcode of your iPhone like this, here I will show you how can you recover it or how can you fix this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, as you can see this, I have forgot the passcode of my iPhone. Here I will show you how I would recover it. So guys, first way is that you have to simply go to forgot password if you have typed the wrong passcode for so many times and your iPhone is unavailable like this. Here you have to simply tap on forgot passcode option. So guys, you can see this, it is asking for the passcode which you have forgot. Here I am entering the passcode, and now if you have forgot it, you have to simply tap on forgot passcode from here, and after this you can see you can start iPhone reset. So guys, you can see this, you have to simply follow the instructions from here if you have forgot the passcode. Right now you have to simply tap on start iPhone reset, and after this you have to give here your Apple ID passcode or password. So guys, you can see this, you have to enter your Apple ID password, and after this your iPhone will be open and you can easily reset the password or the passcode of your iPhone. So guys, this is the way we can follow to reset the passcode of your iPhone if you have forgot the passcode. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.